Hi, this is Steve from the UK, and I thought it was about time I did a little update video for my lead gen secret, because this has been the best $30 deal on the internet in the last year, for sure, by a long way. And today is the 274th day that I've been in this business. We're just starting day 274. So I thought I'd just show you the numbers and show you how successful this has been, because it just is the gift that keeps on giving. And what happens is the commissions just keep coming in and the business keeps working. Now, I'm not going to explain in this video how everything works, because that's in previous videos, and if you've not seen those, you'll find a link below this video that'll take you back to watch my day 30 and day 60 videos. So here on the screen, it's today, by the way, 31st of January 2020, so Happy New Year to you. And I'm just recording this video. You can see it's actually just gone midnight server time, so we've not actually got any 31st commissions here yet. It's 31st here in the UK, just going into the 31st over in the United States. So here you can see commissions on the 30th. And the commissions just keep coming. What I'm going to do is jump to the bottom of this page so that I can show you the total commissions. And there you see those there, $19,777. That's an average of over $72 a day, every single day since I started. That's an average of $2,195 per month, which, if that just continues, might even grow a little bit more. That's over $26,000 in a year for just $30 a month. It's an incredible little business opportunity. It pays out like clockwork. You can actually see on the screen I've been paid $19,681. I did an actual withdrawal yesterday, so you can see there's $96 actually came in overnight for me. So brilliant little business. Click the link below to get started, or to watch my day 30 and 60 videos that explain more about exactly how this works. Hopefully you found this useful, and thanks very much for watching.